Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. This is part 2 of our discussion on grinding noises when braking. In part 1, we talked about the causes, and now it's time to explore the fixes. Let's get started. Steps to replace brake pads. 1. Lift the car. Use a jack to lift your car and secure it with jack stands. 2. Remove the wheel. Use a lug wrench to remove the wheel from the car. 3. Extract the caliper. Unbolt the caliper and slide it off the rotor. Be careful not to damage the brake line. 4. Remove old brake pads. Take out the old, worn brake pads. 5. Insert new brake pads. Place the new brake pads into the caliper bracket. 6. Reinstall the caliper. Bolt the caliper back into place and ensure it's secure. 7. Put the wheel back on. Reattach the wheel and lower the car to the ground. Regularly checking and replacing brake pads can keep your brake system in top condition. It's like changing the batteries in your smoke detector, essential for safety and peace of mind. Cleaning the brake system. Occasionally, debris such as dirt, small stones, or rust can get lodged in the brake system, causing grinding noises. Cleaning the brake system helps eliminate these unwanted particles. Steps to clean the brake system. 1. Lift the car and remove the wheel, similar to the steps involved in replacing brake pads. 2. Inspect the brake components. Check the rotor, caliper, and brake pads for any visible debris. 3. Clean the rotor and caliper. Use a brake cleaner spray to remove dirt and grime from the rotor and caliper. 4. Use compressed air. Blow compressed air to remove finer particles stuck between the components. Be careful not to inhale the dust. 5. Reassemble the wheel. Once everything is clean, put the wheel back on and lower the car. Think of this as cleaning your home's HVAC filter. It keeps the system running smoothly and prolongs its life. Upgrading brake components. Sometimes, the best solution to eliminate grinding noises and improve your car's braking performance is to upgrade your brake components. Benefits of upgrading. Enhanced performance. High-quality brake pads and rotors offer better braking power and longevity. Reduced noise. Superior materials and manufacturing processes reduce the risk of annoying grinding noises. Increased safety. Reliable, high-performance brakes ensure your vehicle stops quickly and safely. Common upgraded components. Ceramic brake pads, less noisy and more durable than standard pads. Performance rotors. Drilled or slotted rotors can handle heat better, reducing the risk of brake fade. High-performance calipers. Offer more consistent pressure on the brake pads, leading to smoother braking. Upgrading your brake components is like investing in high-quality running shoes. They might cost more upfront, but the comfort, performance, and durability make them worth it in the long run. By addressing these areas, you can solve the grinding noise when braking and improve your vehicle's safety and performance. Keep an eye on your brake system to ensure it remains in top condition. Preventive measures to avoid grinding noise. Taking steps to prevent grinding noise when braking can save you from costly repairs and keep you safe on the road. Here are some important measures to consider. Regular maintenance. Regular brake maintenance is crucial for keeping your braking system in top shape. It helps you catch minor issues before they become major problems. Scheduled inspections. Have your brakes checked at least once a year by a professional mechanic. This can detect wear and tear early. Brake fluid check. Regularly check and replace the brake fluid as needed. Old fluid can lead to brake failure or reduced braking efficiency. Pad and rotor maintenance. Inspect and replace brake pads and rotors when they show signs of wear. This helps prevent metal-on-metal contact, which causes grinding. Consistent maintenance is like regular dentist visits. It's essential to catch problems early before they turn into painful, costly issues. Quality brake components. Investing in high-quality brake components ensures better performance and longevity. Cheap parts can wear out quickly and lead to grinding noises. Brake pads. Choose pads made of ceramic or semi-metallic materials. They last longer and offer better braking performance. Rotors. Opt for rotors that are heat-resistant. Quality rotors handle stress better and reduce the likelihood of warping. Calipers. Quality calipers apply pressure evenly across the brake pads, ensuring smooth and effective braking. Think of quality brake components as buying a durable backpack. A good one will last through years of use without falling apart. Safe driving practices. How you drive can impact the longevity of your brakes and reduce the risk of hearing that dreaded grinding noise. Avoid hard braking. Slamming on the brakes causes more wear and tear. Instead, apply the brakes gently and progressively. Maintain a safe distance. Keep a safe distance from the car in front to avoid sudden stops. This reduces the frequency and intensity of braking. Use engine braking. When going downhill, use engine braking by downshifting. This takes some pressure off the brake system. Avoid overloading. Carrying too much weight puts extra strain on your brakes. Stick to your vehicle's weight limits for better performance. Following these driving tips is like taking care of your shoes. Gentle use and proper care extend their life significantly. By incorporating these preventive measures, you can avoid grinding noises when braking and ensure a smooth, safe driving experience. Prevention is always better than repair, not just for your wallet, but for your peace of mind as well. Addressing grinding noises when braking is crucial for your safety and to prevent costly repairs. Common causes like worn brake pads, debris, and low-quality parts are easy to spot and fix. Regular maintenance and using high-quality components will keep your braking system in top shape. If you hear that unsettling sound, take action immediately. Your brakes are vital for your safety, so don't ignore them. Fix the issue now to enjoy a smooth, safe ride. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.